Hi guys, so it's our day 4 here in Taiwan and we're going to Taichung. Waiting for our bus. Hi guys, so hindi kami nag-HSR going to the flower garden or Songshe flower garden. Nag-take kami ng bus. So from our hotel, nag-bus kami, tapos bumaba kami sa, I forgot kung saan kami bumaba. Pero sumakay kami doon ng 6606 na bus going mismo sa Songshe flower garden. Since nag-bus kami, yung ride or yung travel time will take like 2 hours. 2 hours drive going to Songshe Flower Garden. So, ayun. It's cheaper than HSR, pero it's faster if it's HSR. But, comfortable naman yung bus. Like, nare-recline yung seat and meron din siyang like this. So, I think, kung hindi naman kayo in a hurry, kung wala kayo masyadong itinerary for the day, you can just take the bus going to Songshe. Since May na, hindi nag-ganon yung perfect, this is not the perfect season to visit the flower garden kasi yung iba medyo landa na kasi medyo mainit na. Pero it's still worth it na mag-visit dito kasi marami pa rin namang magagandang flower. It's just that yung mga flowers na pang malamig, yun, hindi na sila ganon kadami or ka-blooming, ganon. Pala talaga yung ice cream dito sa, anong tawag dyan? Anong tawag sa store na? Dumog pala talaga yung ice cream sa Miyahara. Pero sabi Harry Potter feels, pero hindi naman na-feel na Harry Potter. Ikaw na-feel mo ba Harry Potter? Ha? Hindi? Hindi. Diba? Scam. Charot! So, meron siyang takeaway tsaka dine-in. So, yung mahaba yung pila is yung takeaway. At nakapila kami ngayon dito. So, kapag magda-dine-in kayo, may bibigay sa inyo instruction yung usher dito sa pilahan. Ito yung itsura ng form na sasagutan mo mag-order ka na. I finally got the most delicious ice cream. The most delicious ice cream they sell here in Taichung. So let's try it. Let's go. So, it's famous here in Taichung. Pero, ang origin niya ay Japan. Masarap siya, guys. Yung flavor na in-order namin ay yung specialty nila, which is yung vanilla milk and siya. Vanilla milk and yung salted caramel. So, see? Then, for the toppings, almond tsaka yung cheesecake. Lahat yun, tinanong ko lang dun sa nagtitinda.